Cathedral cacti. We are in the Church of Nature. Someone, I'm speaking English, someone cut this down. Literally, living being. One of their names for this cacti is cathedral cacti. Cacti catedral. It's mid-July 2026. And this is what happened last night. And those are rose petals, in case you're wondering. Cathedral cacti. In San Miguel de Allende, Guanajuato, Mexico, America is the indigenous continent. It's a living being that someone just destroyed. And they're literally called cathedral cacti. Cacti de cathedral. Like cathedral, parroquia, parroquio, iglesia, iglesia, synagogue, mosque, temple, templo. You know, Church of Nature. Yes, Church of Nature. But you don't do this to the Church of Nature. I don't care who you are or what language you speak or where you're from on this beautiful planet. Pacific Ocean's that way.